Welcome to Chelsea Flower Festival! Tara, let's explore Chelsea in bloom!
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
Not sure, guys.
Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time. Welcome to our travel vlog.
Hello mga Kalakwatsa, kakatapos lang namin kumain sa Jollibee. And after this, pupunta kami sa flower celebration.
What?
Ano yun, Nix?
Flower Festival? Aha! Ayun.
Chelsea in Bloom. So,
Okay.
nadaanan namin siya kanina, kaya we decided to go back there. Sobrang ganda ng mga bulaklak. Tama ba, Tan?
Tama, guys. So, galing kaming church kanina and we decided to go to around Sloan area. Sloan Square? So, check natin, guys. May check up sa Instagram na ito, nandito siya. So, sinearch namin yung mga areas habang nasa double-decker kami. And we found it very, very nice. So, share namin kung saan kami pumunta. Hello, guys! We are here in lovely London. Summer na! Meet our friend, JL! So we're going to Chelsea. It's my first time to go there. And let's check out some of the most beautiful flowers sabi famous to siya around the world. And we're lucky kasi today is May 28. And 24 pala, sorry. Apparently, the festival is from 18 to 24. Oo, swerte natin, di ba? Tour tayo today. So from Earl's Court kasi nag-Jollibee kami, sasakay tayo ng District Line going to Sloane. So mga Kalakwatsa, from Earl's Court, babalik tayo ng Sloane Square. So guys, dito tayo sasakay ng train. Mga Kalakwatsa, mainit ngayon dito sa London, 29 degrees. So, take a tips, if you're traveling around London, make sure you have a bottled water. It keeps you hydrated when you're traveling. So kami meron kami ice chips. It's very helpful. Keeps you hydrated. Iba yung level ng heat sa London as compared sa Pilipinas. So, always keep hydrated while traveling.
Chelsea in Bloom is London's biggest free flower festival, where the street of Chelsea transform into a giant outdoor flower trail with stunning floral display on shops, cafes, hotels, and restaurants every May.
Mga Kalakwatsa, it's a weekend today, so expect maraming tao. So we're going to start in King's Road. Nix, are you excited?
Yes, ginit lang.
Lahat ng mga iconic London buses are here. So marami naman bus stops dito. So if you don't feel like walking, you can take the bus. Use City Mapper to get a better guide around London. For 2026, Chelsea in Bloom runs from 18 to 24th of May with a theme of Out of This World. featuring space-inspired floral displays like planets, astronauts, moons, zodiac art, and giant cosmic sculpture across Chelsea. Pasukin natin mga Kalakwatsa! Guys, tuloy-tuloy natin yung walk. Ito pa. Ito, nandito na sa gilid. So this is Alice and Olivia. Ang cute, guys. Sunflower. And then depicting sun. Diba? There's of course flowers naman. Dito tips, you can check out the flowers, take pictures, but please do not pick up the flowers. Medyo withered na yung mga flowers. I guess because mas mainit na kasi yung panahon. Pero ang galing ng executions nila dito. Fun fact! The festival uses hundreds and thousands of flowers. And some of Giant's installations take teams several days and even overnight to build. Ito guys! Nakita ko to sa Instagram. Sa Trinity, London. I think it's all sunflowers. Look at the details, guys. Ito pa, meron pa dito. Trinity London pala guys, hindi Trinity London. Ang ganda, yung mga tao nag-picture din sila. Mga Kalakwatsa, nasa Duke of York Square na pala tayo. So, they also have a lot of flower designs. So another, how cute! So this one says mother. Ganda guys. Ito naman yung sa intimacy. Me? Eh. Ayan o. Kalakwatsa still in Duke of York Square. Meron siyang astronaut made out of flowers. Dami ng tao. Punta natin ang malapitan. Ayun sa malapitan. Napaka-creative, no? Mga Kalakwatsa, this square is named after Sir Hans Sloane. Sir Hans Sloane was a physician and a collector in 18th century London, whose vast collection formed the foundation of the British Museum and later helped shape the Natural History Museum and the British Library. Cute naman ito. Nick, saan na tayo punta?
Sloan Street.
Okay. So patungo na tayo ng Sloane Street. Cool na design naman from this shop. Mga Kalakwatsa, UFO naman oh. Ang cool, may mga alien. Kay David Meller naman guys ay mga kaldero, super creative.
Sa baba yung kwarto.
Pavilion Road naman tayo mga Kalakwatsa. Mga Kalakwatsa, cactus naman to. Dito sa flower barn. Cool. Mga Kalakwatsa. Dito pa rin tayo sa Chelsea, one street na lang, makikita na natin yung ulo na puno-puno ng flowers. Hopefully, marami pa siyang flowers kasi unfortunately, last day today ng festival and some of the flowers are already dried. Ay, yung dragon! Wow! Naman sa store na NPO. Very earthy naman yung designs nila. Another dragon on that side. Punta natin. Ang tawag pala sa flower display na to ay mythical dragon. Look at the details. Different kinds of sunflower. Tama ba? Or baby's breath. I'm not sure guys. Pero ganyan yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Out of this world nga talaga guys. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan natin yung dulo naman ito. Galing, di ba? Dusa naman to guys. Ang galing. Parang may mga mossy parts siya and then dried parts of the leaves. And then look at the snake. Ang very creative ng pagkakagawa nila. Dito naman to sa Oliver People's na store. So this is their Medusa display. So cool. I think we're going full circle na sa lugar. So what are your top one?
Yun yung top 1.
Si Medusa?
Tapos second ko yung dragon.
Oh yeah, mine is the mythical dragon. That's my top one. What's your top one?
Yung ulo.
Si Medusa.
And then, Medusa. And then, yung simple lang, yung parang yung white flower na nandun.
Yeah, yung kanina guys.
Super simple lang.
Oo. The one that we found is a trident sa Cassandra goat. Yan. May mga shells siya, tsaka made out of different kinds of flowers. Ang creative talaga dito sa London. Mga Kalakwatsa, alam nyo, personally, I'm always amazed whenever I go around London because you will be able to see new things that you haven't seen in your life. Ang cool! Okay, ang ganda ng flower designs nila sa kanilang store. Let's go up close. Check natin kung ano naman ang pinaka-design ng Kaale. Wow! Ganda ng Kaale. Wow! Napaka-fancy ng Kaale. Simple but very elegant. Ito naman tayo side na to guys, meron ding flower display again. Ano may yung global hand guys? Medyo dry na yung mga flowers. Pero ganda pa rin yan. Dito na tayo sa Sloane Square. Square to no? Last stop
Sloane Square.
Last stop, look! Scorpio guys. And this one, Taurus I think. So this one is called Celebration of Zodiac. So this is probably Leo. Yeah, ang cool. So it's more of the ano yan. Ito tayo guys. 360. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord.
Salamat today mga Kalakwatsa sa inyong pagsama sa amin. Travel today.
Yes, this walking flower tour here in London. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like,
Subscribe!
at comment kayo kung anong paborito nyong flowers na nakita sa Chelsea, London. Happy travels!
Bye-bye!
Check out these videos for more travel adventures.